Alright, get sideways to it now, but take a practice swing. Take a practice swing. Alright, well, step back and get ready to hit it. Just go ahead and hit it when you get ready. Oh yeah, that one didn't go very far. It's like you messed up your tee too. Well, you got, for that club, you got to use a tee, Max. Try another. Try another one. Here. Let's try this right here. Let's try this. That's a good ball. Come here. Come here. Alright, take the practice swing. Alright, take another. Whoa, you about fell down. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. You want to hit another? Or you want to go play in the sand pile? Okay, well, sand pile's up there. Be careful. Go behind them. Where are we at here? Yeah. We're Thomas the Train. Southern Railway. Here comes Mimi. How much do these tickets cost?
So one of the things we like to do here is find out where everybody is from. Believe it or not, we get people from all over the country that like to come visit us when Thomas is here. So one of the way that we like to do this after exhaustive research is we're going to have all of you yell at the same time the state that you're from. And this is how we're going to all become good, fast friends. So on the count of 3, I need for every single person on this train to yell the state that you're from. 1, 2, 3! I think I heard of New York, was that right? My ears deceived me? Alright, way to go. Second New Yorker today. Also have one from Hawaii, believe it or not. So we want to thank you all for coming out. We're glad you're here. We're glad to see you. And now it's time for a good old-fashioned sing-along. We're going to have ourselves a sing-along and sing an old railroad song called I've Been Working on the Railroad. But we're going to change it up just a little bit. Instead of singing Dinah Blow Your Horn, we're going to sing what? Thomas Blow Your Horn. That's right. So on the count of 3, I need for every single one of you to sing nice and loud so Thomas can hear us. I've been working on the railroad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I've been working on the railroad all the little long day. Hey, nice and loud. I've been working on the railroad. Hey, let Thomas hear you. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Here it comes. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Thomas, blow your horn. Thomas, won't you blow? Thomas, won't you blow? Thomas, won't you blow your horn? Thomas, won't you blow? Thomas, won't you blow? Thomas, won't you blow your horn? Way to go! Give yourselves a big round of applause. That was awesome! Now, if you look out the west side of the train, you're going to see the museum's caboose train. In case you didn't know, cabooses come in all shapes and sizes. And if you've never ridden on an authentic railroad caboose, this is one of the few times that you can do so here at the museum. If you're interested in purchasing a ticket and taking a ride on the Caboose train, you can do so up at the Barber Junction Visitor Center and Depot.
A big one? Oh yeah.
Big bridge.
Well, if you enjoyed your ride behind Thomas, let him hear you. Let's give Thomas a big round of applause. As we make our charge back into the station, now is a good time to look around you and gather up all your personal belongings that you want to take home with you. This includes cameras, handbags, cell phones, souvenirs, you know, all the really cool, important stuff. We do ask for your cooperation and please remain in your seats while until the train crew does give us the all clear. At that time, you can make your way back to the vestibule to where someone will be there to help you down onto the ground. On behalf of the staff, the volunteers, the train crew, Sir Topham Hatt, and of course Thomas himself, I'd like to thank you for riding with us today. And folks, I got to tell you from the bottom of my heart, out of everybody we've had riding with us so far this weekend, y'all are the most recent. We'd like to thank you for riding with us.
We are the most recent.
All right, Thomas says it's safe to get off the train.
Kayla, come on, let's get a picture of the train.
For example, we have circular headless tambourines. We have circular tambourines with the heads. That's a pretty wonderful charismatic tambourine. And we even have the world's smallest itsy-bitsy baby tambourines that keep everybody go, aww. It's so adorable. We have horseshoe-shaped tambourines. We have pretty flower-shaped tambourines. We even have football-shaped tambourines. Really awesome tambourines.
I guess we gotta climb it.
Hey.
Go ahead first.
I don't need it.
Hi, Max. Hi, Max. Let's jump down. Max, jump down. Here, give me your hand.
The lady wants to get on the train, Sandy.
You got it? You got it?
Max, it's Bob the Builder.
It's round number 1, tambourine time. Have some fun with tambourine. Oh yeah, run with tambourine. Come on over and join the tambourine band. Everyone who plays the tambourine and returns it to Miss Julie at the end of the song will get a free prize. The tambourines are part of our show. The tambourines are part of the show, so we ask you please to return them at the end of this song. And then when you return your tambourine, we'll give you a free prize for participating. Round number 1. Get your tambourine and go to the end of the line. Get your tambourine from Miss Julie and go to the end of the line. Keep the line moving and grooving. Keep the line moving. Now this is an educational show, so I will show the boys and girls not only how...
Max, how you doing? Max, watch your hand. Max. Max, let it go. Gotta switch it. They're gonna run into each other. Nope. Come on, Max, let's go. No. Come on, Max, there's another one over here. There's another one over here.
Come here. You won't believe this.
Look at those trains, Max. fine.
And his eyes are right at that level. So you really can't see very well.
Nothing on that one, Max. All right, Max, let somebody else go. Come on. Max. Come on. Time for somebody else to go.
Christmas, we get a jump drive.